Hello and welcome to the Quilted Chicken Farm. Let me see, is my video playing? It is. It is. Had to make sure before I went to talk the whole way through and didn't show anything because it wasn't playing. That would be something that I would do. Well, I got a big box here from Moda. You want to see what I got? It's all pre-cuts or fat quarter bundles, but I've got to show you, and then I've got to get busy, and I don't think I'm ever going to get caught up. But I've got this pretty layer cake. It's called Love Blooms by Layla Boutique. And oh, they're pretty. That's a pretty one. I'm going to make this video quick because I've got a whole lot to do. So I've got 4 of those. And let me see. This one is called Chirp. Let's see, who designed the Chirp? But it's got little birdies on it. Let me get it open so I can show you. And I don't think I bought yardage with these. I think I ordered these when I was first getting started. And I was still learning what I was doing. And I'm still making mistakes and not doing things right. But this one on the cover is just as cute. There's a little bird. It looks like a little ladybug. It's not real bright color, just muted colors. But that's sweet. So I've got that one. And let's see, I'll go with this one next. I'm saving the last 2. I think those last 2 is going to be my favorite. But I like them all. This one is Farmstead. And it's got just lots of farm scenes. They're nice. So there's that one. This is Hollyhocks and Roses by Bunny Hill Designs. Let me get one of them so I can flip through it. There's that one, Hollyhocks and Roses. And oh man, they're pretty. I'm just telling you, they're pretty. And then this last layer cake that I have is Callie and Company, and it's a Corey Yoder. And I know Corey Yoder is a favorite designer of a lot of us. But man, it's just bright and colorful. Oh, they're pretty. I sure wish I would have ordered some yardage. But I messed up. And I've got some fat quarter bundles. Callie and Company fat quarter bundles. Those are smaller. These are smaller ones. And this is a Hollyhocks and Roses fat quarter bundle. It's got the blues and the pink and the red and the gray. No, is that a gray or a light brown? Anyway, it's got those colors in it. And this is the fat quarter from the Homestead one. 50-year celebrations, what it says on it. Fat quarter bundle. Wonder how many's in there. I don't know, but it's got a bunch. Alright, there's one more thing I'm going to show you. I'm going to take you up to the other room where it was really heavy and I couldn't carry it in the house, so Terry helped me. Don't look at all this mess in here. I never get everything done. There's the other room with fabric. I'm just going to show you one more thing. Can you see it? It's my Accuquilt cutter. But I don't have the dies yet. I've ordered the dies, but they're not here. But there's my cutter. Let me set that down. And that thing's heavy. But you put your dies on there, on this tray, and turn this crank, and it'll cut 10 layers at a time. So, got to figure out, when the ladies come to quilt in a few days, I'm going to have them help me figure out how to use it. But anyway, that's what I've been doing today. Not what I've been doing, but what I needed to do so I could go do something else. Anyway, I'll see y'all later. Bye for now.